What is up, YouTube? Did y'all miss me? Who knows? But anyway, I am back. Yes, I am back with another vlog for y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna just get straight to the point. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Or if you are new to the channel, go subscribe. Anywho, I'm gonna just get straight to the point. Today's video is a very, very depressing video. It really is, you guys. My car is gone. My car is gone. They took my car. They took my car last night. And I was like, there's no way. There's no way. No way that I'm not gonna get it back. So I'm here to let y'all know that I'm gonna get my car back. And not only that, y'all are finna see me go get my car back. Woosah. Anywho, let's get into the next clip, you guys. Wow. So, I'm gonna just speed it up. So, last night, basically, I was upstairs at home watching TV, chilling, watching cable. I was actually watching Love and Hip Hop. Yeah, I was watching Love and Hip Hop. And next thing you know, I get a call. Did you move your car? No, I did not move my car. I'm still upstairs, chilling, watching cable. And I'm like, hold on. He just asked me, did I move my car? Y'all, I swear, so quickly, I ran down those stairs with my key. I must have got outside and walked to the spot my car was at, and it was gone. Like, it was nowhere to be found. And I didn't know what to do. So I just took my little click up thing. My click up. What is it called, you guys? I took my click up and I clicked around. I walked a little bit. I'm like, I know my car is gone. And next thing you know, I'm like, okay, my car is gone. It's either gone or it's stolen. I don't even care. It's not where I parked it. So that was it. But without further ado, we are going to get into the next clip, baby. Okay, y'all, so I actually finna head out the door. I gotta use the bathroom. I'm heading out the door now. I got the TV. Off. Okay. You guys, I'm finna head out the door. I'm finna go get my car back. So, finna go figure it out and get my car back. Wish me luck, you guys. It is so complicated. So I'm gonna just cancel it because I look. Thank you so much. Look, I know because I was like, I'm gonna just tell her. Look, look, I ain't got my car. Thank you. Yeah, dude. Like,
you even said I was downtown. I was like,
so I don't even want to hear the rest of your story. I'm gonna just help you out.
I don't want to be around you.
Y'all, we almost got into a car accident on the way to go get my car.
I don't want to be around her. She doing too much.
Look at that truck.
She don't be looking. Fuck.
Because they said they're not giving me the address till I get them the money over the phone through my bank account.
They gotta give you the address. Your shit's
No, he said call them when I pay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they on that.
But they can't keep your shit though. Period.
Girl, they can't. Yeah, like he was like, we'll give you the address once they confirm and stuff. I said, okay, I'll be giving y'all a call back. So most likely I'm not gonna get my car back exactly today because they close at 4 o'clock. Okay, you guys, I am back at home, and let's just say, no, I did not get my car. I didn't get my car. I'm just sitting around waiting. And waiting.
and waiting. And I'm just gonna continue on my day, and we will see in the next clip if I got my car back. Don't you guys want to know if I got my car back? I want to know if I got my car back. So let's just see in this next clip if I get my car back. And hopefully we get good results. Stopped at 5, guys. Another one of my favorite restaurants, Chipotle. Because I be hungry, and my car is actually far, y'all. It's far. I think it's like 30-40 minutes away from the city. And it's like, really, like, y'all gonna take my car in the city and then have it all the way, I don't know, just away from the city? Like, that bothers me. But it's cool because I won't be hangry. I'll be full on a full stomach getting my car out the impound lot. So I'm blessed or whatever. I'm very thankful that I get to get my car, even though it was 2 days late. But it's all right because at least I'm getting it back. I don't know, some people, they get their car so they don't get it back because they don't have the money, or, you know, just all these difficulties that you go through. So I'm getting my car back today. And yes, I'm getting my car back today looking like this. I'm pretty sure you guys saw yesterday I was all dolled up. Okay, these are the results of when you have been with no sleep and attitude and just have a mental breakdown because your car got towed. Like, this is what you look like, okay? Wig, look like I don't know what. Lips looking dry because I do have some big lips. They look dry. I don't know. Lips looking dry, no makeup, brows, no. Just looking crazy. It's out here looking crazy. This is the result. This is the result. So this is what you're gonna get. This is what you're gonna get. You're gonna look popped. You're gonna look popped. And that's that. But anywho, stay tuned for the next clip because I need to, like, drink my milkshake, okay? And I will see you guys in the next clip. So I got my car back. I got my car back. Y'all know I got a Chevy, so it's like, y'all can see the Chevy side. Y'all see I'm actually trying to park and record, so it's like, yeah. But I got my car back. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful for those who have helped me get my car back. Thank you so much. Especially my sister, Sassy TV. If y'all, she was so supportive. So right now I'm just gonna go to my sister's house and you know, chill and relax. So see ya. So the moral of the story is, do not get your car took, you guys. Whatever you gotta do to avoid getting your car to parking in the wrong spot, don't do it. Letting your tickets build up, don't do it. I don't know, missing the car payment, don't do it. Not paying attention to the signs around where your car going, don't do it. Just focus and do whatever you gotta do to keep your vehicle in your hands, because you don't want to be like me. You don't want to have to wait 2 days to get your car. You don't want to have to get rides from other people or depend on other people to help you out, because yes, some people are very nice and will help you. Then some will do it with an attitude and still help you. Either or, keep your car, treat it like your prized possession, and make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't ever forget to click whichever one you want to do. That bell, get all my notifications, and when I post my next video.